I mean, this is some good stuff out here. Yeah, second old Christmas tree. It ain't no Christmas. Oh, what's up, y'all? Well, why'd I say old Christmas tree? So what's happening, y'all, on Facebook Live? Oh, they planted the San Francisco what? All right, look. Oh, look who's here. Big Plan, what's up, bro? I said the. Oh, hello. Look who's here. What's happening, bro? You on the show Facebook Live?
What's up, people?
Hey, Rakita. All right.
Look at you.
Yeah. And guess what? I told a big Plan about the about the party.
What's up, baby?
Yeah.
What's up, brother?
What up, Jace? You got something to say? No? All right.
I'm good.
All right. Yeah, for our people to see.
What's up? Wow.
All right, so like I said, y'all, I mean, I love being here with my family, and you know, big play, being with family, that's very encouraging, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, that's very encouraging, right?
Facts.
Yeah. Well, I gotta be careful when I say I don't want to say something to make people emotional. All right, so yeah, though, by me being out here and all that with the family and stuff like that, so excuse me, y'all. All right, so here we go, and I don't own this music in the background, y'all, so no copyright infringement. All right, so hello. Oh, you looking for me? Oh, so that's Sierra. Okay. Well, one of these days I'm have Sierra on my show. I don't know when though. So.
No filming?
I'm not filming, y'all. Yes.
Good. Oh my God. Don't say
All right. So anyway. So by my people and stuff like that.
You gotta get in the right defense. And you know what I'm saying? But them niggas know how to
Let's go.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that's the 49ers?
Yeah, like you want to get jiggy or something. For a second.
Yeah, that was the 49ers, huh?
Yeah, versus the Saints.
Yeah. But guess what? I gotta get this one of these days.
5.
All that, you know, because you know my ratings will increase if I do that, right?
Most likely.
By my people. By my people, you know. That's the name, you know. So anyway, y'all, I'm just here to have a little fun-a-roni and stuff like that. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. So you see, folks, family is very encouraging. Blood is thicker than water is very encouraging. I don't know what the heck I'm trying to say, but what I'm trying to say is, what you want to say?
Everybody outside.
Butterbean. I mean, dang, I'm Jelly Bean. My bad. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the folks at home. I'm sorry to my cousin Jelly Bean. Sorry. It slipped out. You know. But Jelly Bean, I don't find that funny. You hear me? Huh? All right. Because technically that's not funny. You know. I know somebody with that nickname I went to school with. You heard me? You know, oh no, you didn't. I'm sorry. Yeah, I went to John Mack. I just graduated when you was born. Yeah, 2003. If you was born, you would. All right. All right. He won't get off camera. I respect that. As far as that though, cause you know, this is very important. You know, to remember you, to remember me. This is memories. Yeah, it is memories, y'all.
So you knew about graduating in 2000?
Well, not exactly. he was supposed to graduate in 2006, but Hurricane Katrina happened. Cause in a second,
That girl ain't see in school and blow with your hat up and your own around.
all right. So, oh, what's the matter?
Don't sit on me.
All right. I'm not gonna turn that phone around yet. But anyway, never mind that, y'all. So, I'll talk to you later. Okay. No offense, but well, I gotta talk to the audience. No, she mad at me, y'all. Oh, she mad, but my cousin mad. So, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. So, I'm in trouble. Okay, folks, it'll be okay. Okay, it'll be okay, y'all. So, the people at the station, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I got something to do right now. Okay, all right.